Lasagna. Cooking for men and students. Vegetarian friendly. For a different, easy to cook meal for every day of the month, please prescribe. Lasagna. What you'll need: one of these oven dishes, a bottle of Italian wine, well, lasagna is Italian, a pack of lasagna sheets. Note, these don't need pre-cooking, they are used dry. A jar of white lasagna sauce, one pack of corn or beef mince, a couple of carrots, one onion, a handful of peas, gravy granules, cheese to top. What it will cost: meal for 4 people, £5.37, per person £1.34. Preparation time 1 hour and 40 minutes, 25 minutes to cook the mince plus 30 minutes in the oven. What to do: open the bottle of wine and pour into glass. Drink wine. Chop one onion, try not to cry. Add a little oil to a wok or large frying pan. Turn cooker to half heat. Add onions and stir with wooden spatula. Add corn or beef mince. If using corn, add a little more oil, stir with wooden spatula. Grate in 1 large or 2 medium carrots. Add a handful of frozen peas. Cook for about 20 minutes, turning from time to time. In the meantime, boil a kettle of water. Add gravy granules to a measuring jug to make a little over half a pint of gravy. Pour in boiling water and mix well. When the mince has been cooking for about 20 minutes, add gravy and stir well. Add a dash of tomato sauce and cook for 5 more minutes. Get out your baking dish. Some people like to start with mince, but I start with lasagna sheets. Smear the bottom of the dish with a thin layer of margarine and add dry lasagna sheets. Smear a layer of white sauce over the sheets. Add a layer of mince. Continue with layers of pasta, a layer of white sauce and a layer of mince. Finish with a layer of pasta and white sauce. Grate on a layer of cheese. Place the lasagna in a preheated oven at 200 degrees. Cook for half an hour or until a rich golden brown and looks cooked. While the lasagna is cooking, place some mixed frozen vegetables into a saucepan and boil for a few minutes. Now you have to wash the dishes, but to ease the pain, have another glass of wine. Remove lasagna from oven using a tea towel or oven gloves and place on a chopping board, not on the worktop. Hold oven dish with tea towel. With a sharp knife, cut lasagna into 4 and ease around the edges. Use a metal spatula to transfer to plates. Drain and add vegetables to the plates. Enjoy your lasagna with a glass of Italian wine, or 2. Ladies, to have more of these meals cooked for you, make sure your men hit the subscribe button.